Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm bringing to you another cash flow tip, and this one is around debtor days. Debtor days are the number of days it takes on average for your customers to pay you. Some tend to pay you very, very late, and you can probably name the 2 or 3 that are habitually late at paying you. This tip is around how you go about making it inconvenient for them to pay you later. And my tip today is to create late payment penalties. So what this means is for the first 7 days, you might offer a sweetheart deal where they get a great bonus or a great incentive for making that offer. And then after that, you may have just a normal period where you're expecting them to pay the normal amount and there's no special deal or anything else. But at the end, you may actually decide that if they pay you after a certain time, that there will be actually late payment penalties. So 2 or 3% added to the invoice that says you've chosen to pay at a late time, it will cost you more. And by making this disincentive for poor behavior or incentivizing good behavior, then you can actually sometimes change the strategy of people paying you late. It may be that if you have some customers who are habitually pushing it well beyond the limits, and keeping in mind that sometimes you don't want to offend your biggest customers, but the next tier down where they're not so big that it's a huge risk for your business to not have them as a customer, you may look at having a different payment schedule where they have to pay more progress payments or deposit payments on the way through instead of paying at the end on completion and then being late to pay. Many of them, they do this because it gives them their own cash flow for their own business. But when it ruins your cash flow, it makes it very stressful. So you're actually bearing their problems at cash flow management instead of being able to drive your business forward with good, strong cash flow. So that's my tip on debtor days: create late payment penalties.